G'day guys, welcome back to the channel, another video. Firstly, sorry for the lack of uploads lately, been super busy with other stuff, but today we're down here in Queenstown, a bit outside the usual sort of area we go wheeling, but we're down here on a family holiday. I've got Dad's truck with me, and obviously Dad with me as well, and we are going to hit Macetown. So the plan is just to go and have a bit of an adventure, go run Macetown. It's a good fun track. I haven't done it for a few years, so figured we'd bring you guys along for the ride. Should make for a fun video, so yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, these are the joys of Macetown when you come up against another vehicle going the other way. Right, over. Thank you. Oh. Woo! Thank you. That was close. So yeah, you just kind of have to hope that you meet them in a wide section of track and yeah, sneak by just like that. Thanks mate, thank you, good day. Now I gotta go catch up. This is the bit you don't normally see. Oh no! Fell in the puddle. What? How did I keep my feet dry? I literally just fell in that puddle, but somehow my feet didn't get wet. That is a win. Like a lose and a win. Oh no, and there's, I don't have gum boots, how am I going to cross? Dad's slowly reversing to come save me. Wow, this is unreal though. Look how undercut this track is. It's just unreal. Such a cool spot. Alrighty guys, well, we've arrived at the most upstream point you can go in Macetown. Just the some of the old mining gear. Big stamping battery I think it is. No, we had a really good run in. River's up a little bit and there's a storm forecast. We actually see it rolling in now, so we're just keeping an eye on things, keeping an eye on the river levels, but yeah, it was good fun. From here we'll have some lunch and head downstream, and we'll probably have a look at some of the side tracks, obviously the legal ones. For those of you who are interested in coming in here, there's it's like an awesome track, but just stick to the tracks that are formed. Unfortunately there's been a lot of issues over the last few years with full drivers coming in and tearing up the land that's you know, not the track. So stay on the tracks, and yeah, it'll be open for years to come. But yeah, as I say, we're gonna have lunch and then we'll at the track some more. Alrighty guys, well that ends it for the lunchtime. We are gonna head back down the way we came, go explore some side tracks if we've got time, hopefully as well, keeping an eye on the river levels. But yeah, it's been a good trip so far, and yeah, we'll continue on. now he's gonna come get me. Right, I better get to somewhere I can be gotten. Alrighty guys, well you can see the weather's starting to take a turn. It's just starting to come in over the mountain now. It's getting a bit more closed on in, so we're heading out. But looks to be on its way, but we're making good time. Alrighty guys, well, bit of a change of plans. So we're just cruising through here and we found this tourist here, Michael. She was just walking the track, had taken a wrong turn and she was wanting to head into Arrowtown and ended up heading into Macetown. And with the storm coming, we've offered her a ride, so she's going to be riding with us back out to Arrowtown. So it's always a win to be able to help out someone, so yeah, we'll continue on the track. Alright guys, well we're back down at river level. So yeah, now we've got all those first crossings to go back through again. This is our first time off-roading. So yeah, it's a bit exciting. Alrighty guys, we're almost back at Arrowtown now. Been a good trip, rain's just starting to set in. I'd say we timed it pretty much perfectly. Alrighty guys, well that wraps up another video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. It was an awesome day out. Really fun being down in Queenstown doing some wheeling. Stay tuned for the next video where we go wheeling again in Queenstown. This time with a subscriber who took us up some awesome tracks. As usual, forgot to film an outro, so here I am doing it. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought, and feel free to hit subscribe to stay tuned for more. And yeah, pretty much wraps it up, so I'll catch you all in the next one. Cheers guys, see ya.